When I was a kid, I wanted to go into space. Like a lot of kids, I was curious about how things worked. And when I looked at the night sky and saw all those worlds, I wanted to go there. I figured the best and only way I was going to do that was to become an astronaut. But when I grew up, it didn't take long to figure out that I was probably never going to leave the atmosphere. In fact, in an age of tight budgets, it looked like maybe no one would set foot on Mars or any other world during my lifetime. I figured that was that. Then something unexpected happened. I found out about the space robots. It turns out that the golden age of space exploration has not ended. It's happening right now. As you watch this, there are more than a dozen robotic spacecraft undertaking missions to Venus, Mars, Saturn, and the uncharted worlds beyond. Space probes have been exploring ever since the 1960s. Then, Soviet and American machines were sent on suicide missions to the moon in order to scout the way for astronaut footsteps. Now, the robots fly under many flags to destinations throughout the solar system and even beyond its borders. They are powered by arrays of solar cells or nuclear reactors, driven by ion engines or flung by gravity to speeds of many times the speed of sound, and to distances beyond understanding. When they get there, they act as our eyes and our hands, exploring the alien terrains where no one may ever physically go. While their task is to scout distant worlds, their ultimate purpose is to help us better understand this one. There has never been a better time to be an armchair astronaut. We can surf a steady stream of pictures and discoveries from all over the solar system. No helmet required. Science fiction gives way to something even better, as we discover we can set off for new worlds that are as real as they are strange. One of the most amazing parts of this story is that you can ride along with the space robots. You can see the same bizarre sights they see, often within a day or two. All it takes is an internet connection, because the governments and universities that fly these ships usually make the data they collect available online. Maybe someday, people will sit back after a long day of work on Mars and kick the red dirt off their boots. Until then, we are not slowing down, and we are not waiting around. We are moving skyward. If not in body, well then in spirit. We are mounting our curious machines on rockets and lifting them toward heaven. And part of us goes with them. We are wandering the plains of Mars, swooping low over the clouds of Venus, and dashing right through the rings of Saturn as they glint in the sun. We are staring at it all in wide-eyed wonder. We are pushing back the frontier. We are riding with robots.